often implicated, never motherfucking incarcerated. That right, your boy's back. The motherfucking BVD. And I got something for that chump ass motherfucking voice. It's Carolina Hate Week. And I can't talk like this the whole motherfucking time, because if I do, my voice will be scratched all the fuck. So let's get down to business, voice. That's right, I'm calling you out, voice. All these other chump ass motherfuckers that back down from your ass, scared of the voice, let me tell you something. BVD ain't scared of no motherfucker, especially motherfucking Ashley, a goddamn Carolina Panther fan. Now let me tell you something, boy. I like the way you handle your business on here. But I got to tell you, son, I ain't so sure about your, how shall I say this? What I want to know is, who were you Panther fans pulling for before the Panthers come along? Because I got a little secret for you, Mr. Voice. I lived in North Carolina when the Panthers were created. And I saw all kinds of fucking ship jumping. Redskin fans climbing off of that bandwagon. Baltimore fans jumping. Everybody leaving their team behind to go with the new team. Same shit happened over here in Tennessee. That right. I get the question all the time. Hey, BVD, why ain't you a Tennessee fan? Because I ain't a fucking Tennessee fan. That's why I ain't a Tennessee fan. Fuck the Titans and the goddamn Panthers. I've been an Arizona Cardinals fan since they were St. Louis. These colors don't run. BVD don't jump ship. My Cardinals have sucked for 90% of the 30 plus years I've followed them. They're probably going to suck for 90% of the rest of the years that I'm alive, but I don't give a goddamn, because those are my boys. I ride or die with the Redbirds. Been doing a lot of dying lately, but still, that right. Now look at here, voice. I got a little preposition H for your ass. Proposition for your ass. Let's say by some miracle, and it would be a damn miracle, that the Panthers come out to the toaster and steal a win from the Cardinals. Let's just say that happens. Me and you, we have a bet. If you're up for it, I send you a $25 NFL Carolina Panthers shirt. Or I send you a shirt of the team you used to pull for. That's okay too. I won't tell nobody. Just send me a little PM. Say, hey, BVD, man, you on to my ass. I used to be a Redskin fan, or I used to be a Baltimore fan, or whoever the hell you pulled for before the goddamn Carolina Panthers got here. Same for you. When my Cardinals beat your asses down, well, they probably ain't gonna beat nobody down the way they've been playing. But when we win this game, I will send you a PM with a link to the $20 to $25 Cardinal shirt I want. Direct ship to my little pad over here in the mountains. Same thing for you. You win, I'll direct ship that ugly ass Carolina shit to your house, or whatever you choose. $20, $25. Let me know, boys. Because I've been looking forward to this week for a long time. I know you got a sack on you, so I know you won't back down from a little challenge. What's it gonna be, voice? Now, you other chump-ass motherfuckers.